Hey guys, what's up? So today I just got a package from Wall IT. This is from Plaza Loyet. I got it from Lazada. I ordered it from Lazada on the 6th of August around 6 p.m. and that will be around on Thursday, and they send it over on Saturday, which is good because I don't normally assume on Saturday weekends they send the package. So they send over the weekend on Saturday. And we take up around 3 days guys, 6, 7 and 8. So this monitor is selling around 289 ringgit and it used to be 335. I was thinking of a price range around 300 ringgit below. So is it 22 inch? No, it's 21.5 inch. The packaging is good guys. A lot of wrappers, a lot of bubble wraps. And this seller so happened to give me a HDMI cable. A lot of comments down below, they are a bit disappointed because they don't get a HDMI cable, but this one does. So props to you all IT, thank you for sending me over this HDMI cable. Lenovo L22e-20, well packed. There is no like bumps or anything. Look at here, this one stated LCD, this one stated LED. Anyways, the resolution is 920 by 1080. The weight is 4.26 kilograms. Net weight is 2.7 kilograms. Dimensions, the width and everything. It's all in Russian guys. Look at that. Not gonna read that. Got some VGA cables, power cables, 3-pin base. There's the material. Neck of the base. Material is glossy and a bit matte. It's not secondhand. I read some comments. They say there's a crack or anything at the bottom of the screen, especially right here. But this one is perfectly new. Okay. It's pretty decent size. I like this size, 21.5 inch. And that is a Lenovo. Wow, it's made of aluminum. I'll show you guys. Oh, good branding Lenovo. This is standard size. So at the bottom we have a power cable that uses three pins, HDMI, VGA. Where's the buttons? The buttons are located in front. We got the power button, the menu button, the brightness button, I don't know. Switching 1 to 2 probably. Alright, the reason of me purchasing this monitor is because my monitor is, even though it's ultra wide, but it's not, I need more space because I want to put my other files on the right side or the left side depending on the table. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing to put it there so you guys can see my productivity. And if you guys are planning to buy this, it's really light. It's not heavy, it's a decent size. I can hold it in one hand if you guys do arm to the gym. So yeah, this is a pretty decent size of a monitor. I expect it to be smaller. For some reason it's bigger, which is good. 21.5 inch. Yeah, usable. Can't wait to see the colors. Okay guys, I'm gonna set it up now. I'm gonna make it stand. Is it the same height equivalent to my LG 29-inch WK600, 2600? I forgot. But either way guys, is it the same length? No, it's not. It's not the same. So it's not the same height. The width is just 75%? 75%, yeah. The ultra wide just give me an extra room of 25%. Monitor stand looks. So this is a button. You can just slide it in. This is for what? Probably it's just for the cable guys. Ah, pretty neat. Press this button, slide that thing out. Easy as that. Yeah, that's it. This thing should be on. Alright, we're in. Oh, we got our monitor. Pretty nice. This is matte too. Guys, this is matte. This is really nice guys. I like this. The one thing I like about this monitor is that the bezel is so thin. It's thinner than this guy, man. Like, you guys can see that. It's like all the way down, and I like that. Display settings, I'm gonna change it to identify. This is 1 and 2. Sideways, this one will be on the left side, and this one will be portrait. To adjust the height and width of this one. Display settings, you're gonna do it this way. Since you guys are first timers, just that way, so you guys can adjust this accordingly. So when you bring this guy in, it's seamless. Boom, 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 boom. So when I do my work, I can put the documents right over here and just pop the thing here. Boom. So it's not disturbing anything. And one thing I like about this is that you can do a lot of things like OBS running in the background. So sometimes when you're like streaming or you're doing something, screen recording, you just want to know what's happening, and you guys can see what's up on the left screen side. So yeah, you know what you're missing out, what is on and which is off. You can monitor a lot more things here, and I can do a lot more work. So this is going to be the layout for me. My documents, my terabytes, all in here, up and running. Above here is my Canon camera connected to a USB. So I'm going to use OBS to see what I'm doing. Put live feed here, camera settings, remote, live view shoot. It's gonna pop out here, right? I can just move it over here. This is not webcam, so in the capture device, I'm gonna press Canon, change to EOS utility remote live, and you guys can see that it's already popped that in, and press OK. And since this thing is huge, because the resolution, it depends on the quality of this thing. Is it big or small? So if I make this thing smaller, the OBS also will become small, okay? So if the bigger the screen is, like I'm having this setup, the better the quality. Okay guys, you guys can see the quality of the video is really good, it's on point, and I'm just gonna put it right over here, guys. And it wouldn't disturb my main desktop. And this is the best part of having this setup. Before that, if you were to move this thing around, it wouldn't disturb that one because the resolution is fixed. If you were to move this, if you were to resize this, then this thing would change, okay? Hopefully you guys understand that. And let's see, you guys can see there's a gap, right? That big, and I'm just gonna resize it right over here just to know exactly where is the endpoint for this one. So I know exactly how much a 1080p screen actually takes up the space, and I know exactly what kind of space I need to avoid, you know, giving this wallpaper, giving this side not to be shown in the OBS. So to know is your screen size, you just need to do display settings to 560 1080, Photoshop 560 by 1080, and the one that just now do a print screen to paste exactly the screenshot you got in just now. So see, it just fits right in. Oh, done. So you know exactly where is the wallpaper that you need to put a line vertical at 20%. Bring this in right over here. Color that part. Overlay any color that I want. Press it to another lighter gray or something, a darker gray. That way. Press OK. Then I'm gonna do this as my wallpaper. Let's see. So I already have a separate screen that I know exactly where is it gonna be. For example, like pictures. So it's not gonna disturb my OBS. And I know exactly that gray wallpaper is right over there, so I have to put anything on this side. So I have another screen on this side. Or you guys can use this feature on using the on-screen control. Press the split screen this way. You guys can see that it also have this space. It accurately measures the same way I just did just now. As you can see, I move around my mouse here. You can see here the split screen is exactly 1080p in this section. So you can use both ways if you guys want, other than using the wallpaper that I just did. Guys, that is what I've been thinking about to maximize my productivity in editing, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully it helps you guys to do more videos. Peace. What's up? So I'm gonna show you guys the sharpness of this video. If this person is talking, this is Nutty. He's a pretty funny guy. I like the way I like his style though. Anyways, this is the quality, guys. It's really sharp. It's pretty sharp for affordable monitor, budget monitor. Oh wow, I'm amazed. So yeah, if you guys are planning to buy this monitor, go buy it. It's really affordable and it's good for a price range. It's somewhat, it's like the HP, if not wider a bit than the HP, the thin one, but this one has the bracket you can put in place. The HP do not have that. You know, planning to get a cheap monitor, I really recommend this thing. It's not warm or anything. It's lit up nicely. And if you guys planning to buy this, is how it is how the setup looks like. If you guys want to go for a better review, go to another video. This video is just my setup for this productivity with the Lenovo 22e-20. Another sample video. Move it right over here. See that the difference are the color. This one looks more flat in my eyes if it's looking with my human eyes, but real life with this camera is just make it more contrast for this sake. But in real life this is flat. No, sorry, not hip. I mean the video is flat. And this is a bit darker, more contrast for the LG brand, but this guy is much flatter. Yeah. This is much punchier, more color, more contrast, more dark. But this one is flat, but it's really sharp. So if you guys were to ask me, I prefer this kind of monitor because it's much sharper than this one. This is a bit blurry compared to this. This is sharper, it's more natural, even though it's flat. But it just gives me the view that I need. See, the color is a bit more brighter here than this one. This one have a deeper contrast. This doesn't. You can see the difference. This is darker, this is lighter. This is Photoshop open, and if I move here, you can see the color changes. You cannot tell whenever you use this monitor as it is big difference. So adjust overall screen brightness. Probably gonna go down a bit. We're at 50 as well. At 50% brightness and 50% contrast, as you can see, there is a change in darkness of this. You can still see the image. And what if I were to bring up the YouTube? It's a bit dim, but it's good to the eyes. Probably gonna change the brightness to this one at 80. Yeah, 80 is alright. Now it's okay. Yeah, another recommendation, guys. Another good comment for this monitor. I tell you, you're not gonna be disappointed, guys. Just go buy it. Literally, just go buy it, guys. Just go buy it.